All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in one of my favorites. It's a 1961 Chevrolet Impala Bubble Top. So it's a two-door hardtop. I mean, the Bubble Top is like a fishbowl. I mean, there's no blind spots at all. Really thin corner panels here. Look at that, man. It's so cool. And the hardtop with all the windows down is just a way to cruise them. This one's got a 350 crate motor in it, kind of a base one. It's probably 300 horse or something, with a turbo 350 transmission. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake on it, Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock dress-up kit, so it's got the finned valve covers and such. It's got an HEI ignition. It's got power steering with the 605 gearbox, which is a closer ratio, so it's not real sloppy feeling, feels nice and tight. It's got turbo 350 automatic transmission. I don't know what the ratio is in the rear, but seems to do okay. 65, 70 miles an hour piece of cake, so it's probably like a 323 or something like that, but I think it's stock. Interior is nice. It's got the red and black kind of peppered carpet kit in there. Got a 3-spoke, probably billet specialty, something like that, steering wheel. Good looking. Got an under dash stereo, little Pioneer. Still got the original AM radio in the dash, so nobody cut anything up. It's got a remote control there in the ashtray too for the stereo. Also a couple of gauges underneath. It's nice to have those gauges. You got oil pressure and temp, just so you make sure everything's going okay under the hood. But yeah, just a nice driver. Finishing Roman red. The paint is very nice. You know, I'd give it probably an 8 and 1 to 10. Pretty good paint job. Nice and smooth, nice and glossy. The interior is older, but still in good shape. No rips or tears or anything like that. But classic car, man. Really cool looking. It's got some 15-inch US mags on there. So we'll go up here and take some more pictures and videos so you get a little more idea what I'm talking about here. All right, look at this beautiful 1961 Chevrolet Impala Bubble Top. They call them a bubble top because it's just got a little bubble on top. That's about it. It's like a giant fishbowl, like I said earlier. This one has slightly tinted glass, but no blind spots in these. All the windows, all the glasses in good shape. Two-door hardtops. When you put them down, it's just wide open. Plenty of breeze coming through because we don't have AC, so you could add air if you wanted. But it's finished in Roman red. Nice, straight, solid body. Undercarriage looks great. All the chrome and trim, stainless steel is all in nice condition. It's a local car here, right here in our town in Simi Valley. Super nice guy. Retired PE teacher. Coach D. It's a good guy. It's got these US mags on here, 15-inch, with some Cooper covers on there. Just nice. You know, a lot of guys put 18s and 20s, and that's all cool. But these little 15-inch wheels look nice on the car. It's got a nice low stance to it. Windshield's in great shape. Yeah, all the chrome and everything is nice on this car. Go ahead and show you inside. Pretty simple. Got a bench seat. You could bring 5 of your closest friends with you. I like having a bench seat sometimes. Door panels are all in good shape. It's got a tilt wheel. They added that. Tilt column. Got a 3-spoke like billet specialties wheel on there. Aftermarket stereo under the dash. There's the original AM radio up there. And like I said earlier, a couple of gauges. Headliner's in good shape. Everything's actually overall pretty nice condition. But it's got the 350 with a 350 turbo transmission, disc brakes up front, power steering, kind of everything you want in an old cruiser. Good looking bubble top. Here's the power plant in the 61 Bubble Top. Just a 350 crate motor, you know? I mean, simple little engine, reliable, plenty of power. This one's backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission, which is a 3-speed instead of the old Power Glide these had in them. It's got an Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor with a choke, Edelbrock dress-up kit, all the fin valve covers. It's got the ram's horn exhaust manifolds, which are cool. They flow really well with dual exhaust all the way out the back with some turbo mufflers. Factory power steering with a 605 gearbox, closer ratio, and there's your disc brakes up there, front disc brakes. Radiator works real well, you know, keeps it cool. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Fires up nice and smooth. There's your VIN number down there. Took a picture of that already. The trim tag says this car was fawn gold with fawn interior. That's a nice color combo too, but it was a V8 Impala. Nice and smooth. Got some good modern features in it, like the electronic ignition. Nice little rapidy wrap out the back. Not too loud, but sounds good. Knows you got a V8 under the hood at least. A beautiful car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to see me at California Cars. My name is Rich. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. My phone number is 818-591-1313. Give me a ring if you want any more information on the cars we have here, or if you want to take a trip down or make arrangements to ship this home wherever you live. All right, thanks for watching.